Hi there. This video is about stained glass kiln repair. This is the third one we've done. Hi, it's David Gaume in the stained glass studio working on my kiln again. Now, you may remember that when Jeannie and I were working on fixing the kiln before, there was a big chunk of glass hanging off this part. We had melted this one off, and that was great. And this one, there's a big chunk, and we grabbed the two sides of it with a pair of pliers and broke it. So there it is. We were going to run it through a second cycle, but instead, what we're going to do is put it back in place with new J-clips. These are the new ones that I just bought. And they have kind of an interesting little hook on the bottom of them. And I'm not sure if that's going to be easy or hard. They actually, to me, look like they've been manufactured incorrectly. See this one? No, they all have it. So I'm not sure. We'll try it. I haven't done these yet. I'm using regular pliers because both jaws are flat and they hold it really solidly. You know, using your grosing pliers probably isn't the best method. So now, I'm going to get right down here, place this one back up where it goes, and come on. Okay, I'm not sure that I'm in love with this J-clip design, but get another one. Now you see, this is the part that's got the little extra glass stuck to it, so I can't actually get it on the other side. I don't like it. Okay, that one seemed like it went in the way it should have. I'm not happy about the way they hang out, but this side just isn't clipped back far enough to, I'm going to leave it like that. Okay, so now I think I'm ready to run this through a cycle. And so what I'm going to do, I've got a shelf in here, and I'm going to put a piece of paper on it and mark from here to here so that when the glass drips out of there, it'll fall right here, and there won't be anything below it. And I'm going to fire some little pieces, and we'll see how that works. Okay, here we are. We went ahead and fired the kiln. You'll see there's some stars in here that worked out really nicely, and we left this part open in case we had melted glass coming out. And here are the two places where there was glass, here and here. And it didn't melt out. It's just stuck in there, I guess, now, and that's going to be okay. And so it looks like our repair is successful. And so it's a success. That's the last that I have to talk about kilns until the next time something goes wrong. All right, I hope this has been fun for you. This has been David Gaum in the Glass Studio.